In today's hyper-connected world, technology promises clearer insights into our health and well-being. But these tools, designed to empower us, can sometimes become sources of anxiety and stress. Imagine lacing up your running shoes for a morning run. You look forward to feeling the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. But real-time feedback from your wearables starts to distract. The joy of the run diminishes under the weight of performance metrics. Or waking up feeling fine, only to have your sleep tracker show poor sleep quality. Suddenly, you start to feel tired. These tools can become sources of self-doubt. This is digital health anxiety, where the very tools meant to enhance our health awareness can lead to unease. Multiple team members stopped tracking their runs and left their watches on the nightstand for peace of mind. Research backs this up. More data and digitalization can lead to more stress, impair cognitive abilities, disrupt sleep, and blur work-life boundaries. In health tech, smartwatches and fitness trackers often become unintended sources of anxiety. Heart patients found themselves becoming more informed yet simultaneously more anxious. A linguistic analysis revealed a rise in mentions of anxiety, depression, and digitalization. As our world becomes more digitized, there's heightened collective concern about mental well-being. Data that can't be properly used causes frustration. But with the right guidance, it can transform from a stressor to a powerful ally in one's health journey. Studies show digital health technologies, when guided by healthcare providers, are more effective in mitigating anxiety and depression. Integrating guided support requires collaboration. Healthcare professionals can guide patients, ensuring digital tools are supportive rather than stressful. On a personal level, never feel bad about asking, be forgiving with yourself, and let it go. If you don't understand your health data, just ask your doctor. And if data pressure freaks you out, stop tracking your every movement. It's more important to enjoy life than to constantly measure it.